Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2017 Toyota Sienna equipped with the BraunAbility rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. You'll first open up the lift gate. You can then use this handle to bring the bottom portion down. And then you can use this on the side to bring down the ramp. So this ramp here is 31 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 58 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user. This one is going to come with a set of retractable straps. And in the middle you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And then of course you have driver and passenger. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 97,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front, and here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.